Hola mi gente, welcome back to another episode of Sticky Counters. Today I have a delicious take on a classic Paloma. Now, as you may know, a Paloma is tequila, fresh lime juice, grapefruit juice, and club soda. Now, what I'm doing here is actually changing out some of that sweet component and adding a little bit of Earl Grey lavender simple syrup from my good friends of Boozy Botanical. And then the main ingredient in this episode, in this cocktail, is going to be our Maestro Dobel Diamante. Now, this beautiful tequila is actually a reposado, but you might be wondering, why is the reposado clear, Carlos? Well, the cool thing about this brand is that they take the color out by doing a charcoal filtration, and what that does is just strip out the color, but you still get that integrity and flavor of that tequila that's in a reposado. So in making the cocktail, you're gonna start off with your least expensive ingredient, just like I always say. So we're gonna grab our tins to start everything off. We're gonna do half an ounce of fresh lime juice. We're gonna do half an ounce of the Boozy Botanical Lavender Simple Syrup. We're gonna do half an ounce of that bad boy. I mean, the smell, it's awesome. I'm a big fan of lavender, so this hits the spot. And now with the grapefruit juice, it's really just gonna combine and just make this cocktail delicious. So we're gonna put 3/4 of an ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. And the star of the show, some tequila. So Maestro Dobel tequila. And we're gonna put 1.5 ounces of this right into the tin. My recipe calls for simple syrup, it calls for fresh lime juice, club soda, but what I'm doing here is actually, like I said before, changing up the simple syrup, but also adding maybe a little bit of a different club soda. So this is a grapefruit club soda that we're just gonna open it, keep it to the side because we're gonna need to shake this cocktail first. So shake it up, make it cold. All right, now we have the cocktail super cold. I already have our Collins glass filled with ice, so it's ready to go. We're just gonna pour right in there. Look at that, I mean, the color is awesome. It looks delicious and it looks refreshing, and that's what we want with a Paloma. And now we're just gonna top it off with the grapefruit soda. That all the way to the top. So this is gonna create that refreshing quality in the cocktail, and to finish it off, a nice lime wheel. So this is my take on a Paloma. I know it's a bit different than the classic Paloma, but I want to know in the comments, do you like the classic or do you like this take on the Paloma? Please let me know. And again, if you want to see more content like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and hit that subscribe button because it'll mean the world to me, and it's also going to show exposure on what we're doing here. So thank you, and I'll see you later. Cheers.